Good morning, students. Today we will study about Unit 2, Selection of Materials and Development of Activities. You have already studied about nature, forms of English language, and how can the students improve this second language? For the purpose of this, what type of materials a teacher should select to develop the language of the students? What type of activities should be organized in the class to develop the foreign language of the student? So here in short some points we will discuss. As you are seeing here, right now in present scenario, learning is shifted away from rote methods. Right now the teachers are not following rote methods to improve or to gain the purpose to learn English language in the class. Appropriate curriculum in sufficient quantity and quality should be provided. Then textbook, as you have seen already that NCF 2005, the curriculum is totally shifted, and in that curriculum, in that syllabus, particular the subject of English, sufficient quantity and quality provide की गई है. Then textbook, so that the students can get opportunity to learn this second language appropriately. Language is tool of communication. As we know, through the language we can express our views, our ideas, our opinions. So language is the tool of communication. You can read the books, you can speak with the people, you can write our thoughts. And next point, appropriate materials should be selected. For that purpose, now we have seen that language is the tool of communication. Through the language we can understand everything, we can express our thoughts. So now it is required that appropriate materials should be selected by the teacher to teach this language. And material, in the selection of material, the teacher have to keep in his mind according to physical and mental age of the student, and according to the interest, attitude, aptitude and environment of the students. According to that he has to select the activities to learn this second language. So here I have taken some development of activities and tasks. As you have already studied about the skills of language, listening, speaking, reading and writing. So to develop these skills, so many activities should be developed in the class by the teacher to improve this language. I have written here some, like listening. For listening, the teacher should play radio in the class, should bring the students in IST class, through computer, through television. He can improve this language. The students will get opportunity to listen more and more. And in the class, by drilling, during the drilling, students also get opportunity to listen to the students whatever they are repeating. So they will develop this skill through such type of activity in the class. And speaking, next skill. For the development of speaking skill, teachers should emphasize in the class speaking in English himself, and instruct to students to conversation everything in English only, and whatever storytelling, any topic, any discussion, any debate he can conduct in the class to improve this skill. And next one, reading. For this, according to age, if we are teaching in small junior classes, to look and say, write in the board, and then start reading the books. Encourage student to reading the story books, newspaper, magazines, and whatever the posters, advertisement is, so that students is able to improve this skill. It will help to improve the foreign language. And next, as you are seeing here, writing. For this, when the students are able to listen, speak the word in English, and able to read, then now he should instruct to write whatever he is thinking, he is being asked by written assessment, by giving questions of the content. So many activities can be developed in the class to improve the foreign language for the student. And now apart from the activities, we have mentioned here some games. As you are seeing here, teacher can conduct letter chains. In this games, teacher can make the teams, 2 or 3 students can take part in this game and give the letter, and the students will speak like whatever the letter is spoken by first students, so another student will pay attention whatever the last letter of the word will speak, start the word. Like for example, lion, Lion. So next one start with the N. Nest, Nest. Now in the same way, third will start with the T. So T, he will speak any word like table. So in this way, in the class, teacher can give instructions to play the letter chains game. Next we are seeing here sound chain. In the same way as we are seeing first one letter chain, वहाँ लेटर पे emphasize किया गया था, and in this game the student gave attention towards the sound. Next one, the shopping basket. Shopping baskets में जैसे हम बच्चों को कुछ baskets देते हैं और उसमें objects डाल देते हैं, and we just instruct them to repeat the sentence. Like we give the topic, we can give the topic of fruits, animals, wild animals, domestic animals, like source of water, whatever. The fruits. So the first students will speak the apple, and then give chance to next one and instruct them that add one more fruit. So next one will speak apple, mangoes, and now this is the term of third. He will add among the two fruits, apple, mango, cherry. In the same way, the shopping basket games can be organized in the class to improve the language. Next we have mentioned here word association. Word association में we can give any word जिससे वो associate करेंगे, like source of water. So he will speak. One team will speak like well. Next team will say related with that particular source of water word, like river. Then next again team A will tell about the source of water, lake. In the same way relationship पे हम ले सकते हैं. So many topics we can provide to the students to think about the words associated with particular words. Next one game we can organize in the class, word sets. Word sets में we can say that we can write in the board, blackboard, some words, and like the top we can write, we can divide the whole class into three teams. Like one team will tell food items, second will tell animals items, and third will tell countries. So word sets we can provide in the class, and them get them opportunity to think and speak the words. Next one, arranging words alphabetically. We know this कि कैसे हम किसी वर्ड्स को उनको अल्फाबेटिकली वो अरेंज करें. हम स्ट्रिप्स रख सकते हैं. So many strips taking up many words we can place on the table, and we can call the students and they will arrange the words alphabetically. हम लेटर्स लिख करके रख दें और फिर या वर्ड्स लिख करके रख दें और उन वर्ड्स को अल्फाबेटिकली वो लोग अरेंज करेंगे. इट इज़ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग एंड वेरी easy also. So with the help of this also they will improve their foreign language. Picture strip stories. इसमें हम पिक्चर में स्टोरी के स्टेप्स को लिख भी सकते हैं. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल हमने इसमें हम सेकेंडरी लेवल पे या जूनियर लेवल पे भी हम ये करते हैं बच्चों को लैंग्वेज डेवलप कराने के लिए. इसमें 4 स्टेप लिए और 4 पॉइंट्स में एक स्ट्रिप्स बना दी और उस स्ट्रिप्स में पहला सेंटेंस भी लिख दिया पिक्चर के साथ में चारों में, और फिर बच्चों से अरेंज करने के लिए कहते हैं कि कौन सा पहली घटना घटी, देन नेक्स्ट इवेंट, देन थर्ड इवेंट एंड लास्ट कंक्लूडिंग इवेंट्स ऑफ द स्टोरी. So with the help of this picture strip also they think and they able to complete the story and frame the sentences also in their mind. And next we are seeing here the game, guessing game. In this guessing game, in market there are so many games are available right now, but in the class the teacher can suppose in the board he can draw, he can give the clues. He can draw किसी की पिक्चर वो बना सकता है. जैसे किसी पर्सन की पिक्चर बनाई, उसमें कुछ क्लू दे सकता है कि उसने हाथ में एक चेन पहना दी, ये ब्रेसलेट, और फिर वो क्लू दे करके पूछता है कि किस एक्टर की पिक्चर हो सकती है. इसी तरह से किसी हिडन ऑब्जेक्ट को भी पूछ सकता है, कोई पिक्चर बना करके कि इसमें क्या हिडन ऑब्जेक्ट क्या हो सकता है वो पूछें. तो इस तरह से गेसिंग गेम भी हम कर सकते हैं. तो इस तरह से हम सम अप करते हुए ये कह सकते हैं कि जो बच्चों को हम इंग्लिश पढ़ाने जा रहे हैं, सिखाने जा रहे हैं, से फॉरेन लैंग्वेज को सिखाने का एफर्ट कर रहे हैं, उसके लिए जो मटेरियल सिलेक्शन करना है, उस मटेरियल मीन्स वट एवर द लेसन वी आर गिविंग टू इन द क्लास, वी शुड थिंक अर्लियर. कि ये नहीं कि गए ट्रांसलेशन कम ग्रामर मेथड उठाया, डायरेक्ट मेथड उठाया और हमने चैप्टर को कंप्लीट करा दिया. नो, उस चैप्टर को कंप्लीट कराने के लिए बच्चों को वो चैप्टर पूरा समझ में आए, अच्छे से अंडरस्टैंड हो, लैंग्वेज डेवलप उसके अंदर हो, उसके लिए हमें पहले से थिंक करना पड़ता है कि हम कौन सा मटेरियल सिलेक्ट करें, जिस मटेरियल के माध्यम से हम बच्चों को बहुत अच्छे से इस टॉपिक के साथ साथ इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज में कितना इम्प्रूव करा पा रहे हैं. दिस इज द मेन मोटो. तो उसके लिए हमने कुछ एक्टिविटीज़, कुछ गेम्स हमने यहाँ पर आपको सजेस्ट किए. सो कम्युनिकेटिव एक्टिविटीज़ हमको करानी ज़्यादा हायर लेवल पे, सेकेंडरी लेवल पे कम्युनिकेटिव एक्टिविटीज़ ऑर्गेनाइज करानी चाहिए. विद द हेल्प ऑफ दैट स्टूडेंट्स विल बी एबल टू इम्प्रूव देयर इंग्लिश. बट राइट नाउ वी आर सीइंग दैट आफ्टर clearing the 12th standard, they are not able to 60% students are not able to write sentences in their own words. They are not able to speak English. They are not able to comprehend the content whatever written in the books, and they are not able to pronounce properly the words. So this is the drawback of our country. So as a English teacher, it is our duty to think over that how can this foreign language be improved to the students. Thank you.